Hello friends, welcome to Famous Tech. This is Vivo Y19 smartphone. In this video, we will learn how you can use smart wake option in your phone Vivo Y19. First of all, go to the settings in your phone. Click here for settings. Now click on shortcuts and accessibility. Click on smart motion. Click on smart wake. Here several options are available. First is slide upward to unlock. When your phone screen is off, if you slide upward, the phone will unlock. Here you go to turn on the button again, slide upward to unlock. If you click over slide upward to unlock, instructions will be displayed. Read it and click OK. Now put lock screen and slide upward on the locked screen. Yes, screen is unlocked now. Next is slide downward to take a photo. So slide vertically downward, camera will be open to take a photo. You can capture the image here. And we will see the next option, third option. Again go to the same settings. And next is draw C to launch dialer. Just draw C on the screen and dialer will be opened. Now we will see the fourth option. Draw M to play music. Music will be playing. Here music is playing, but I will not include it in the video because it will be copyright. So I will neglect it. Just I mute the music. If you draw from left to right or right to left, next song will be selected. For next song, draw left to right. For previous song, draw right to left. And next, draw E to launch browser. Yes, browser will be opened. Next, draw W to launch WhatsApp. Just draw W on the screen and WhatsApp will be opened. In the similar way, you can use F to launch Facebook. Finally, draw R to launch email. Yes, it's opened. Email is opened now. So in this way, you can easily use smart wake option on your phone Vivo Y19. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.